Good morning, students, and welcome to the MSc final classes. Today, we are going to study the outline classification of phylum Chordata. You know what is Chordata? Chordates, that means the animals having a chord, that is the notochord. Okay? So, Chordata can be divided into two groups. They are the acrania and craniata. Acrania means having the animals they do not have the skull or the cranium, and they are also known as the protochordata. Protochordate means the first formed chordates, or they are also known as the lower chordates, Nimnatar chordate. Okay. Or the group Acrania can be divided into three subphyla. They are Hemichordata, first subphylum, the second subphylum, that is Urochordata, and the third subphylum, that is the Cephalochordata. Hemichordata means half. Any notochord is seen in the half portion or the proboscis region of the body, and it can be divided into two classes. They are Enteropnista and Pterobranchia. Enteropnista के example, that is Balanoglossus, and Pterobranchia, that is the Cephalodiscus. Now the second subphylum, that is the Urochordata. Uro means tail region, that is the notochord and the nerve cord. Both the parts are seen on the larval stage, the tadpole-like larval stages of the animal. And this can be divided into three classes. The first class, name of the first class, that is Acidiacea. Second class, Thalassia, and third class, that is the Larvaceae. First class, the example is Hardmania. Second class, Thalassia, that is the best example is Pyrosoma, and third class, that is the Oikopleura. Now the subphylum third, that is known as the Cephalochordata. Cephalamic cephala means head region, and the notochord is arising from the notochord is seen throughout the life along the entire length of the body, and it has only one class, that is a Leptochordae. Example is the Amphioxus. Okay. Now the group P, that is Craniata or Euchordata or higher chordata. Craniata means cranium is present, skull is present, a well developed the head region, the brain is present. Euchordates means the true chordates and the higher chordate. They are included, they are known as the higher chordates. Here the subphylum, that is the vertebrata, that means vertebral column, the distinct vertebral column is seen. And so the subphylum vertebrata can be divided into two groups, that is the Agnatha, and two divisions at Agnatha and the Gnathostomata. Agnatha means the gnathe or the jaws are absent. And Agnatha can be divided into two classes. They are Ostracodermy and Cyclostoma. Ostracodermy, that consists of the extinct forms, and the second class Cyclostomata. Its best example is the Petromyzon and Myxin. We will study the details of all these classes and the superclass etc. in the next video. Now the second division, that is the Gnathostomata, that means paired jaws, paired fins, paired limbs are present, and it can be divided into two superclasses, superclass Pisces and superclass Tetrapoda. So superclass Pisces can be divided into three classes, that is Placodermi, Chondrichthyes and the Ostrichthyes. Okay. Then second, that is the superclass Tetrapoda. Tetrapod में that is class Amphibia, class Reptilia, class Aves and the class Mammals. Now the next, that is the general characteristics of the phylum Chordata. That's if you talk about the habitat, they are aquatic, aerial, terrestrial, free living, or no fully parasitic forms. And aquatic forms, aquatic they are all living in the water bodies, aerial forms, and terrestrial forms means all the three habitats are seen in the case, habitatic forms are seen in the case of these chordates animals, and they are bilaterally symmetrical. The body can be divided into two equal halves, metamerically segmented. Metamerism is there. Body wall is triploblastic, and in three germ layers are present, the ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. They are and also coelomate. Two types of coelom, and true coelom is present, that is enterocoelic and also schizocoelic. And the post-anal tail usually projects beyond the anus at some stage and may or may not persist in the adults. यानी कुछ केसेस में जो है या एडल्ट्स में जो है वो पोस्ट एनल टेल अनुपस्थित भी हो सकता है, और टेल, ये पोस्ट एनल टेल बॉडी के पीछे फर्स्ट भाग से यानी पोस्टीरियर पोर्शन से कि टेल के रूप में उपस्थित होता है. नाउ द एक्सोस्केलेटन ऑफन प्रेजेंट वेल डेवलप्ड इन द केस ऑफ द इन वर्टिब्रेट्स. एक्सोस्केलेटन में भी आपको बताएंगे डिटेल में. 4. Now next one, skeletal rod is present. Skeletal rod, that is a supporting structure which is known as a notochord, and that is some in the, it is seen in the life stage, throughout the life stage or in the life stage, at any stage of the developmental stage, or it may be present in the embryonic stage. Okay, embryonic stage में भी उपस्थित हो सकते हैं या whole life cycle में भी ये पाया जा सकता है. एंडोस्केलेटन, दैट में बी बोनी और कार्टिलेजनस, दोनों प्रकार की, यानी बोनी भी और कार्टिलेजनस एंडोस्केलेटन में उपस्थित होता है. फायरेंजियल गिल स्लिट्स, फायरेंजियल गिल स्लिट्स प्रेजेंट, दैट मे और मे नॉट भी फंक्शनल, हो सकता है कि वो क्रियाशील भी हो सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है. फायरेंजियल गिल स्लिट्स. देन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इज कंप्लीट विद डाइजेस्टिव ग्लैंड्स. ब्लड वास्कुलर सिस्टम इसमें है क्लोज्ड प्रकार के. हार्ट जो है दैट इज सिचुएटेड लोकेटेड ऑन द वेंट्रल साइड विथ डोर्सल एंड वेंट्रल ब्लड वेसल्स. हेपेटिक पोर्टल सिस्टम वेल डेवलप्ड होते हैं. और एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम दैट कंसिस्ट ऑफ प्रोटो, मीसो और मेटानेफ्रिक किडनीज. इसी तरह से नर्व कोड दैट कंसिस्ट ऑफ डोर्सल ट्यूबुलर nerve cord, and in the anterior portion it is enlarged to form the brain. यानी जो लोअर कॉर्डेट्स है उसमें डोर्सल ट्यूबुलर नर्व कोड के रूप में नर्वस सिस्टम उपस्थित होते हैं, बट हायर कॉर्डेट्स जिसमें एंटीरियर पोर्शन एनलार्ज होकर के ब्रेन का फॉर्मेशन होता है. सेक्सेस आर सेपरेट. ओके, नाउ द ब्रीफ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द कॉर्डेट विद द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. ब्रीफ क्लासिफिकेशन कॉर्डेट का दैट इज बायलैटरली सिमेट्रिकल, metamerically segmented, triploblastic, coelomate, it is deuterostomes, that is supporting skeletal rod, that is notochord, or in some their life history a hollow dorsal nerve cord, paired gills or gill slits which may present or persist, change or disappear or in the adult cases, or and is seen in the, that is seen in from the Cambrian to the recent period. और इसके डिटेल्स जो हैं दूसरे वीडियो में हम डिटेल में स्टडी करेंगे. और थैंक यू.